In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see all of the upcoming birthdays on Facebook. So once you have Facebook open, you want to go ahead and tap on the magnifying glass at the top. It's next to the messenger icon. Tap on that. And then you just want to search for birthdays. And then right at the top, the search result is birthdays. Tap on birthdays. And then you will see some up and coming birthdays from your friends. Tap on the see all button at the bottom. And this will give you all the birthdays of your friends. You can see the recent birthdays, the up and coming birthdays, and then by month. So that is how you see the up and coming birthdays on Facebook. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.